What must a consumer or a real estate buyer keep in mind ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ EMI plan choose କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
Buying a house is an emotional thing. Choosing an EMI should be ruthlessly practical.
How are you managing to be on the top of market reputation?
See, you have to be. If a middle class family is investing in you, giving you money, they would have had sleepless nights. वो पैसा जोड़ने के लिए they expect honesty. You don't deliver the project at time, it's like betraying them.
Honestly କହିବେ बिजनेस रे कहीं पसले मेट्रो ग्रुप रे कहीं पसले कहीं की स्टार्ट कर
Particular movie called Trishul, गुंडा मानों को भगे की जगह नहीं की बिल्डिंग करी की won't have a good lifestyle. So project जो करछो हमें Metro Kings Court, our landmark project, 50 acre plot to 400 duplex. My personal mantra, well, where there is a will, there is money. Metro is a 33-year-old company. We are still buying land, still making apartments and selling. It doesn't matter how motivated you are, how disciplined you are, how strong you are, how well connected or how much support you get in life. If your goal is not clear, you are going nowhere.
सलीम बहुत टाइम हो गलानी 5 वर्ष हो गलानी केमती अछंती
बस यार चलीछि just pulling through.
मुविंग थ्रू मत मने अछि के आमे जतले मझिरे तो आमे बहुत थर देखाइछु किंतु 5 वर्ष आगुरु जतले फर्स्ट टाइम आमे देखाइथलु सेतले आमे कटक रे बसथिलु आ आपण प्रमोद रे करेक्ट सेठी आपण सोफिया मिराज भी थिले आ मते एबे भी मने अछि आपण बहुत स्माइल करी के एक्साइटेडली मते कहले के समर मेट्रो ग्रुप इज अ डेट फ्री कंपनी जोटा के यू नो मल्टीपल टाइम्स तापर भी बहुत थर भाभी छि कि गुटे गुटे बिजनेस ओनर गुटे बिजनेस एंटिटी रो सेई क्लेम टा करिबा इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट एंड अ वेरी एंड्यूरिंग स्टेटमेंट ताले 5 वर्ष आगुरु आ आजी कौन चेंज है जी कौन सिखिया को मिली जी
A lot of things has changed, you know. 5 साल में सरकार बदल जाता है. You know, it's like it's still a debt-free company.
यस
And we have come up with a multiple projects. You know, your mindset भी change हला हमारा. We were more into luxury segment. Then we realized कि it's time to get into affordable segment as well.
ओके
So बस you know different time, different strategies चल रहा है ऐसे ही.
नाइस नाइस ऑनेस्टली कहिबे काहे की स्टार्ट कर ले कौन माने व्हाट वाज सच अ यू नो ग्रेट कॉल दैट यू put aside what you were doing for a sizable time and you get into Metro Group. Like how were you inspired, were you inspired by बचपन में आपने you know किछि आपण देखि थिले मैं कि आपण को माने मोटिवेट करथिले काहे की बिजनेस रे काहे पसले मेट्रो ग्रुप रे काहे पसले
See, my journey into real estate କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ decision ନଥିଲା. It started with a spark.
ओके
ମୁଁ ଯେ ଛୋଟ ଥିଲି, I used to watch a lot of movies.
yeah
So there is a particular movie called Trishul,
to shoot
Amitabh Bachchan ro,
okay
जोटारे he is a you know story of a man who fights the land mafia.
yeah
ଜାଗା नहीं କି apartment ତିଆରି କରି କି से rich ହେଇ ଯାଏ.
okay
So that image always used to run in my mind.
Okay.
ମୋତେ ବି builder ହେବାର ଅଛି.
yeah
ଗୋଟେ ଗୁଣ୍ଡା ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭଗେଇକି ଜାଗା ନେଇକି ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ କରିକି want to have a good lifestyle.
lovely
So ସେମ୍ ଇମେଜ ଟା ସଦାରେ ମୋ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଥିଲା.
okay
And because
ଏଟା
family
କେବେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ ମୁଭିଟା
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ କ୍ଲାସ୍ 9-10 ରେ ଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ ଦେଖିଥିଲି.
lovely okay
You know, at that time youngsters are usually attracted
Motivated.
towards the bad things in life. तो मैं bad thing तो कोई भी नहीं, but जो टाइप रो अमिताभ बच्चन रो इमेज टा थिला,
हाँ
you know, मारपीट करके
correct
लोगों को भगई की बिल्डिंग बनाई की पैसा कमाया, तो I always wanted to have that kind of a lifestyle.
okay
And coincidentally and fortunately, I realized when I grew up that my family is into real estate. So it was obvious for me to get into real estate. But real estate is not a kind of business where, you know, where if your father is running real estate, doesn't necessarily means the son can carry on the legacy.
correct
To understand real estate, to run a real estate company, you need to acquire certain skill and knowledge.
correct
तापाई मो civil engineering करली, engineering करली, कॉलेज जते जाउनथिली साइट बेसी जाउथिली.
अच्छा
My family members ensured that you know
You were
site visit
encouraged.
मोर एवरीडे हेबा कथा.
अब बिजनेस जଣା पड़ियो कि कौन होची डे टू डे एक्टिविटी
यस मो साइट जते जाउथिली मो बहुत जिनस ऑब्जर्व करथिली, यू नो कि ओटा ट्रैक्टर रे केतरे इटा आसे, इटा जते भांगी जाय इटा को काम रे आसे. मो ठिया कि गोटे वॉल काउंट करथिली केतेटा इटा लागि छि वॉल रे, केते लेबर लागिले, केते टाइम रे वॉल तयारी हुए, ब्रिक वर्क हुए. ସିମେଣ୍ଟ ବାଲୁର ମିକ୍ସଚର କେମିତି ହୁଏ ଏ ସବୁ ନଲେଜ ମୁଁ ଗେନ୍ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି ସାଇଡ୍ ଯାଇକି ସୋ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଜଏନ୍ କଲି ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ କ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ଇଜିୟର ଫର୍ ମି ଟୁ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଏଭରିଥିଙ୍ଗ
always whenever ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଦେଖା କରେ ମୁଁ ଭାବେ यार Aleem is able to balance multiple things. Fitness, you're taking care of. Business, you're taking care of. I remember back then you used to be so like a firebrand, politician, and you were handling all these, street morchas and jaake, speeches there are. So, two worlds, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
both are different world. I was into politics and I was motivated in a different way at that time.
Okay.
It was like सरकार के खिलाफ मोर्चा निकालना है आंदोलन करना है and now when I'm sitting here in front of you giving corporate talk
Yeah.
it's like पता नहीं मतलब how I was not sure if I will be able to manage this thing but मोटा मोटी सेम ही है so politics से ଦେଖାଉଥିଲି ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଅସୁବିଧାଟା ବୁଝୁଥିଲି and I was trying we were trying to solve their problem so coming back to business it's the same kind of a thing it's also a service that we are giving but in a different platform here when someone comes to you to buy a house they are actually looking for a solution
Correct.
so we have to make them understand and tell them what is good for them
Good. So, also you're a father.
yeah
Not a lot of people know this. ଆଉ ମୋତେ ଏବେ ବି ମନେ ଅଛି କି ଆପଣ ଯେବେ ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପା ବିଷୟରେ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଜ୍ କୁହନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ସଦାବେଳେ କୁହନ୍ତି କି କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ମୋଟିଭେଟ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ରାଇଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁ ହାଭ୍ ଅ ଲାଷ୍ଟିଂ ମେମୋରି ଅଫ୍ ହିମ୍ ନାଉ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆପଣ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଫାଦର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ସେମିତି ହିଁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରିଲେସନସିପ୍ କେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସନ୍ ସହିତ
see it's like I lost my father at a very early age when I was
yes.
15
Correct.
I lost him so that time when you look up to your father when someone teaches you about life how to deal with problems see I was not able to garnish all those
Yeah.
things from him but जितना टाइम बिताए थे उनके साथ कुछ सीखे थे लाइफ में and now when I am a father what I understand is children they won't understand what you tell them yet they won't follow what you tell them to do they will follow your footsteps so being a father makes you more responsible because someone somewhere is watching you your steps what you do and आज के दिन में it's easy to manipulate your wife but it's very difficult to manipulate children because my wife doesn't ask me where I am where I am going but my
Yeah.
son will call me each and every year to ask Papa ji ghar kab aa rahe ho what are you doing why are you not back home so
Yeah.
so I'm enjoying and time flies like anything he was a small kid
Yeah.
jumping on me playing with me
Yeah.
now when he's jumping on me I could feel that
Yeah.
pressure
Yeah.
so I realize he's growing up
Yeah.
and just having a good time with him till he makes girlfriends or he makes friends to when he won't look at me anymore
Yeah. So you're like a cool dad. Yeah.
I try to be his friend
You try to be his friend.
Yeah.
आपके साथ वो मतलब he shares everything with you.
he is scared of his mom but he's like a friend to me
Okay. And tell me what as a leader today when you are taking charge of Metro Group, right? It, as you rightfully pointed it out, it must feel like a huge responsibility. The same amount of responsibility you feel for your son, right?
yes
If not, usse zyada to almost as much responsibility because Metro Group is also your baby, right? Although it has been 3 generation and 3 decades and
Two generations.
2 generation as you put it very beautifully. But to you also, it's like a baby which is 30 years old and now you have to grow it further, right?
Yes.
So what are the things that you're keeping in mind? कैसे इसको grow करने का? Like how are you thinking of growing it?
see it's a 33-year-old company and we have done almost around 70 to 80 projects in and around Cuttack and Bhubaneswar so that market reputation and trust has always to be there we are still getting land
Yeah.
we are still able to make projects and sell them that means people have that trust on us starting mein real estate was not that organized
Correct.
and there were very limited players so people used to tell ye 5 builders hain ye log project kar rahe hain but today when you see a lot of hoardings lot of builders have come up so competition is there,
Hmm.
but then again, people will see कि कौन कैसा कर रहा है, डिलीवरी डेट किसका सही है,
Hmm.
मार्केट रेपुटेशन किसका अच्छा है.
Hmm. And how are you managing to be on the top of that market reputation?
See, you have to be, because आज के दिन में if a middle class family is investing in you, giving you money, just imagine, they would have had sleepless nights वो पैसा जोड़ने के लिए. They would have skipped their vacations. They would have worked late shift, कि पैसे जोड़ के घर खरीदना है. तो घर खरीदने के लिए जो पैसा बिल्डर को देते हैं, इट्स लाइक अपने जिंदगी भर का कमाई दे रहे हैं. एंड दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट सेल स्टॉक, दे एक्सपेक्ट ऑनेस्टी, they don't expect, they expect sincerity from the builder. And when you don't deliver the project at time, it's like betraying them. दिल टूट जाता है उनका. वो जिसने इन्वेस्ट किया है, जो घर खरीदने के लिए पैसा दिया होगा, घर लौटता होगा तो उसके बच्चे पूछते होंगे पापा जी नए घर को कब जा रहे हैं. तो एक्चुअली he has given money to live a good tomorrow,
Yes.
okay, to step into a new future. So so not delivering the house and not making a proper house should be treated as a criminal thing.
Correct. You're right. But Aleem, I have a lasting picture of you as a politician, and then all of a sudden you had to take charge of the business because obviously the business demanded you. But how has this transition been, and why? And how, earlier Sophia was taking charge of Metro Group, and now you are taking charge of that. Like, how is that equation like? And, how are you segregating, two different aspects? Tell us a little bit about that.
So the situation demanded, that time I wanted to be a politician because I wanted to do few things for the development of the society,
Yeah.
for the development of the city that I stay. So, I was thinking to do certain things, but then I realized it's just not that being in politics, you can do all those things.
Correct.
Tables turned.
Correct.
My sister, she got into politics.
Correct.
So I had to come back and take care of things.
Yeah. So both the siblings are taking charge of the, you're taking charge of Metro Group, and she's taking care of the people,
Yeah.
right? So it must be a very interesting experience.
Yes.
Tell me some of the fond memories you have when you're dealing with a problem. How do you internally talk? Not just necessarily with Sophia, with your other, internal stakeholders, and what are the learnings that you have taken in the past, few
See,
years.
it's like Sophia is the backbone of the company.
Yeah.
She is so technically sound that we are heavily dependent on her.
Yeah.
We have to request now कि यार please office आ जा,
हाँ.
ये सब issues है जरा sort out करके चली जा. But she is very sincere in whatever she does.
Yeah.
Business में थी तो वैसे sincerely काम कर रही थी. Today when she is working for the people, she is literally staying with them on the ground and sorting things out. And if any issues come, then we have our board meetings, we sit there, we discuss our problems and we get the solution to it.
अलीम यार ऑनेस्टली ଆପଣଙ୍କ ମୋ ଜେନେରେସନର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଅଲଗା ଥାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ପର୍ସପେକ୍ଟିଭ ବି ତ ଅଲଗା ଥିବ ଆମର ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ଙ୍କର ଜେନେରେସନର ପର୍ସପେକ୍ଟିଭ ଅଲଗା ଥିବ କାହିଁକି ନା ତାଙ୍କ ଟାଇମ୍ ବି ଅଲଗା ଥିଲା
Yes.
My father one day he explained this to me in the context of portfolio management କାହିଁକି ନା ମୁଁ ନିଜର stocks ଆଉ portfolio manage କରେ and I'm a very aggressive ମାନେ buyer ମୁଁ equity ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଣେ very similar to you. Then my father told me, I told him one day कि why are you playing so safe? Why are we not buying, these companies, right? मते लागुची कि एटा आगु जाई कि बहुत भलो रिटर्न दे परिबो. So my father told me that when my father was my age, the entire life was ahead of him. So किछि गोटे माने wrong माने decision भी नेले सेटा हमें मेकअप कर दो because our life is ahead of us. But for a older generation, their entire life is behind them. So they're sitting on a माने गोटे compound of all the decisions they have taken their entire life. So for the next, few decades, they don't want to throw away all the decisions they have taken.
Yes.
But for a younger guy, again, your entire life is ahead of you. So you will want to do more,
Explore more,
experiment more, right? Because you must also be thinking that we are here, but we have so much more potential, right? सो सेटा माने सबु जनरेशन रे मु देखिछि बिजनेस फैमिलीज रे इवन विथ माय फादर इट टेंड्स
Yes,
टू
there
हैपन
is always a old school thought and new school thought.
करेक्ट
Unless and until it's a startup.
correct
So there's a
correct.
difference of opinion.
Then it's first
always go
generation.
there, yeah.
A startup is always a first generation,
generation,
right?
yeah.
You might come from a generation of businessman, but a new startup is a new company with a new bloodline, with a new DNA, right? Which is why I also, when I started my own first company, I said, no, I get to play and experiment the way I deem fit, right? But yeah, good, very refreshing to hear that side from you. Yeah, but it's very relatable to me also. Tell me one thing, what are new structural changes in real estate, new things जोटा के माने किए आउ डिस्कस करू नांती जोटा के आपण मेट्रो ग्रुप रे एक्सपेरिमेंट करूचंती कोन नुवा प्रोजेक्ट करूचंती कोन प्रोडक्ट ऑफरिंग वैल्यू ऑफरिंग अच्छी लोक मानकु कोन मिलिबो एंड व्हाट कैन पीपल एक्सपेक्ट from your new projects that Metro Group is doing?
There's a project that we are working on, Metro Kings Court,
Okay,
situated at Jatni.
okay. जटनी टा टिके दूर ही जाउनी
See, it's again a mindset. ତମକୁ ସମୟରେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିବ ତମକୁ ବାଣୀବିହାରରୁ ପଟିଆ ଯିବାକୁ କେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆଜି ଦିନରେ
आधा घंटा 30-40 minutes.
40 minutes
40 minutes.
even sometimes more than that.
Yes, more than that.
To
Yeah.
reach Jatni you'll just take 20 minutes
Okay.
because of the flyover.
Okay. Hello, what a perspective is in
ଗୋଟେ perspective କି ଦୂରରେ ଅଛି but it will just take you 20 minutes to reach Jatni. So project जो ଆମେ କରୁଛୁ Metro Kings Court Jatni ରେ ଅଛି and you will see Bhubaneswar is developing towards the south side. ତ ସାଉଥ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଏବେ ଡେଭଲପ ହେଇ ଚାଲିଛି ଆମର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟଟା ପଟିଆ ରଘୁନାଥପୁର ଯାଇକି ସେପଟେ ଅଟକି ଯାଇଛି ହଉଛି ମାନେ ତ୍ରିଶୂଳ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଗଲାଣି ସେପଟେ ତମର ପାହାଡ଼ ନଖରା ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଗଲାଣି ଏପଟେ ପିପଲି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଗଲାଣି ବଟ୍ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ହାଜ୍ ବିଗ୍ ପ୍ୟାଚେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଇନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ସାଇଡ୍ ତ ସବୁ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ଏବେ ହେବାର ଅଛି ଇନଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ତମର ସୁବ୍ରତ ବକ୍ସି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଇନଫୋ ଭ୍ୟାଲି ଟୁ IIT ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଏଇଠି and a lot of development is coming up here. So this is going to be the hotspot destination in coming years. So project जो करछो हमें Metro Kings Court, it's our landmark project. It's a 50-acre plot. टुकरे हमें 400 duplex करूछु and I think we are selling it very easily because of the locational advantage. ମୁଁ କହିବି କି ଆଜି ଦିନରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ जो ଜିନିଷଟା ଦରକାର here people are seeing the value.
What is that value? कौन लोक माने दरकार सेटा टिके जदी आपण कहि
See, I'll put it as peace, space, and quality of life. When you make a project in such a big patch of land, you leave a lot of open space. Say quality of life टिके better हे जाए. आमे घर दउछु, duplex दउछु, बड़ घर दउछु. Value रे आसी जाए तमरो neighbor किए. And the price range starts from 1.5 CR and goes up to 3.5 CR. तो तम नेबर भी से प्रोफाइल रो लोक अछंती. If you talk about value, customer आज के दिन में they have a checklist कि ये चीज होता है कि नहीं होता है and we understand that. See आज के दिन ना किसी के घर पे एक कार नहीं है. A family has more than one car.
Correct.
So the duplex that we are providing, we are giving 2 car spaces.
Very nice. Kings Court.
Yeah, Kings Court.
Yeah.
ठीक है तो we give a lawn in the duplex. So it's easy, it's accessible on the road and peace of mind है यहाँ पे ठीक है ना. We have loaded the project with a lot of amenities. We have plans to make a cricket ground here, football ground, basketball ground, badminton court, tennis court, and name the amenities and we'll have it all. We have planned around to have 50 plus amenities in this project. So I think the value that anyone is looking for, this is the project for them.
Do you feel आपन लागु छी कि ओडिसा रियल एस्टेट मार्केट टिके ओवरहीट होची प्राइसेस बहुत अनरेगुलेटेड अनचेक्ड ऊपर जाउचंती फॉर वैल्यू व्हिच इज एक्सपोनेंशियली लेस. मु बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट देखी छी जोटा के 2 BHK अच्छी
You meant to say it's getting expensive in real estate? Is expensive in
रियल एस्टेट टिके एक्सपेंसिव होची माने आपन गोटे अपार्टमेंट जते बेले 2.5 CR रे मु एबे देखुची जाउची भुवनेश्वर रे माने इफ आई क्वाइट ऑनेस्टली आई एज अ रिटेल कंज्यूमर मु जदी देखिबी के ओडिसा रे मते 2.5 CR रो अपार्टमेंट मिलची आई विल कंपेयर इट टू अदर मेट्रो सिटीज बैंगलोर हैदराबाद. सो से वैल्यू टा आमे अप्रोप्रिएटली दउछु के रिटेल.
See 20-25 वर्ष पूर्वରୁ भुवनेश्वर एते वेल डेवलप्ड नथिला. एते कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस नथिले. जस्ट फ्यू you know government offices ଥିଲେ and you know corporate office ତ ବହୁତ କମ ଥିଲା
करेक्ट
ତାପରେ Infosys ଆସିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
and ତାପରେ କିଛି କିଛି corporate office ଆସିକି you know ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଆସିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା because a lot of corporates came up,
करेक्ट
a lot of companies came up and ଯେତେବେଳେ 2015-16 ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ government of India they started this smart city mission, you know when they started this smart city mission तो भुवनेश्वर was one of the cities 20 cities जो shortlist ହେଇଥିଲେ भुवनेश्वर was one of them तो ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର को as a smart city declare କରା ହେଲା तो central government and state government ର special attention ପଡିଲା ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଉପରେ which resulted in a lot of development, you know LED street lighting, underground cabling, proper drainage system, you know advanced bus terminal, railway station upgradation. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏତେ development ହେଲା तो infrastructure develop ହେଲା and better infrastructure means lot of people coming here seeing the potential
करेक्ट
तो लोक आसिले बढ़िला लोकंको रहबा एठी तो जगह कम भुवनेश्वर रे ठीक है ना तो डिमांड बढ़ला प्राइस बढ़ला
करेक्ट ओके तो आपनको ठीक लाଗୁଛି जो प्राइस रे एबे बहुत लोक माने अपार्टमेंट दउचंती सेटा आपनको एप्रोप्रिएट लाଗୁଛି
See,
ठीक प्राइस लाଗୁଛି
see as a developer I would say they are charging for the value they are giving.
Correct. So I was reading up about the American dream, which started this whole, idea of ownership of house. So banks माने आगुरु कौन करले बड़ बड़ जो banks थिले US रे से माने कहले कि आमे जदि आमर लोन के आम पैसा को आमे हेज करिया चाहूछु ताले आमे सेटा केमती हेज करिवा आमे गोटे पैच ऑफ लैंड रियल एस्टेट रे आमे हेज करिवा केना इट इज द मोस्ट स्टेबल ऑफ ऑल एसेट क्लासेस राइट तापरे दे स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग द अमेरिकन ड्रीम कौन आपण गोटे घर किनिबे आपण गोटे गाड़ी किनिबे आपण गोटे फैमिली रे रहिबो गोटे बिजनेस रे रहिबो एंड हाउस वाज द मोस्ट एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ इट आपको लगुच कि ओडिशा रे इंडिया रे से अमेरिकन ड्रीम रो जो एस्पिरेशन टा थिला सेटा धीरे धीरे इंडिया को भी आछी
yes yes of course
एवरीबॉडी वांट्स टू हैव देयर ओन हाउस
yes of course
Right.
everybody and covid परे तो लोक माने चाहुछंती निजर घर करि देबा को
कहीं कोविड पर कहीं ए शिफ्ट आपण कहीं मेंशन करले कोविड पर
देखो कोविड पूर्वरु लोकंको माइंडसेट अलगा थिला
केमती
they were more you know माइंड तांको फ्री थिला से माने एते चिंता करनथले फ्यूचर रो बिकॉज़ दे थॉट कि yes we will live our life the way we want but covid taught us a lot of things you know
Correct.
कि किछि भी हेई पारे केबे भी हेई पारे
तुमको तुम निज घर को जिबार अछि
या निज जा करछ निज घर को जिबार अछि घर को फेरियार अछि
Correct.
you know कोविड टाइम रो केते जण घर जाई पारलेनी you know
Aଜ୍ଞା.
आपण रेंट रे रहथिले लोक माने आपनको फैमिली को आसिया को दोनथिले से रेंट घरे रहिया को एते रेस्ट्रिक्शन आस जाउथिला तापर लोक भाबिले कि नै हम किछि भी करू गोटे घर निज रहि जाऊ तापरे विल लिव आवर लाइफ
एक्चुअली जिते गोटे रिटेल कंज्यूमर आसे गोटे बिल्डर पाखकू कि गोटे माने ग्रुप लाइक योर्स गोटे घर किनिया पई द बिगेस्ट वैल्यू एंड आई एम सेइंग दिस टू यू एज अ कंज्यूमर हु हैज ट्राइड टू लुक फॉर लैंड्स मु जतले मु गोटे माने मोर गोटे 3 फ्लोर बिल्डिंग मु बनाया भावुथली सो आई वेंट अराउंड लुकिंग फॉर लैंड सतळे मते रियलाइज हला लैंड रो एक्विजिशन करिवा केते डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज से लैंड टा को भाई मझिरे बटा ही थिवो किए तार एक्चुअल ओनर थिवो ओनर कहा सहित एग्रीमेंट करथिवो जणा पड़िबनी किनला परे यू विल बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट सूप सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट फैक्टर दिस इन
हमें काई के अछु
करेक्ट
हमें काई के अछु बिल्डर काई अछि कासो तमे घर किनो हैसल फ्री गोटे घर गोटे जागा किनुछ ना यू बाय अ प्लॉट यू डोंट नो you have to do proper due diligence before buying a plot से ईसी चेक करिया को पड़े बहुत लोग जानि नांती प्रोसेसटा सेति पे फसी जानती ईसी चेक करिया को पड़े तापर जागा किनिबो यू विल हायर एन आर्किटेक्ट से गोटे ड्राइंग तैयारी करके देबो नै कि बीएमसी कि सीएमसी जेबो से माने अप्रूवल देबे तमे पुनी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर खोजिबो से पुनी घर तैयारी करिवो तमे जाननो से केमती घर तैयारी करछि तमे का गोटे घर लोक को ठिया करइबो सेठी जे दिन राती देखिथिबो से केमती घर तैयारी करूछि तो व्हाई टू गो इनटू दैट hassle why don't you come to a builder and buy a flat or a duplex and
जोटा कि बहुत कंज्यूमर माने बुझंती नहीं से माने भाबंती कि माने एटा बहुत प्राइस बहुत अच्छी मु काहे न बने देबी किंतु बने जतळे आपण निजे बने उजिबे सेतळे बहुत बडा लैक्यूनास प्रॉब्लम्स आपण को देखा
of course तुम पैसा दो छोटे लाइफस्टाइल पई
करेक्ट
so I don't think आज दिन रे लोकंकर से माइंडसेट अछि कि हमें बेसी पैसा देबो ए फ्लैट पई काई पैसा देबो ते जानछंती से पैसा काहे की दोछंती
आज्ञा सो अली मोर रिसर्च और कंटेंट टीम रे जणा अछंती सी मते आसी कहले कि आपण मुकिम फाउंडेशन रो ट्रस्टी आउ आपणकर लीडरशिप रे आपण बहुत एथलीट्स मानकु बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग इंडिविजुअल्स मानकु आपण फेलिसिटेट करचंती आउ ऑल्सो तांको पे आपण पेरिस पे टिकट भी बुक करचंती ताले मो टीम भी जानिया चाहूतले कि ये जो पेरिस रो टिकट आपण बुक करूचंती सेटा तांको पे लागू अछि ना माने आउ किए भी
दीटा ओडिया झियो
आज्ञा
बैडमिंटन खेली की
आज्ञा
बैडमिंटन वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप
ना
क्वालिफाई होचंती
आज्ञा
ओडिसार ना रोशन करचंती से माने तांको पे जहाँ भी आमे करिबो हमको लागुची कम ही करिबो तो जेहेतु एस्पिरेंट अछंती से माने भलो खेलुचंती त भाबलो काइना तांको टिके सपोर्ट करा जाओ एंड दिस जस्ट ए स्मॉल थिंग दैट वी हैव डन तांको पे टिकट पेरिस जिबा पय हमें करिके देथिलु एंड दे आर वेरी हैप्पी And what
एते सब रोल्स गुडा केमिति आपण स्विच करचंती एठी ट्रस्टी अछंती बिजनेस भी संभालुचंती तापरे यूथ को जाई कि हार्टलैंड रे कनेक्ट भी करूचंती केबे केबे माने डेबिलिटेटिंग लागेनी कि केतेटा कॉन्टेक्स्ट स्विच करी
you got one life
या मंत्र ओके व्हाट इज द मंत्र ऑफ योर लाइफ व्हाट इज द मंत्र ऑफ योर लाइफ बिकॉज़ यू सेड वन लाइफ
yeah
you must have a mantra.
see
Uh,
if you ask me about my personal mantra I follow the principle where there is a will there is money
okay, nice.
and it's one life do as many things as you can do things that make you happy that keeps you happy and keeps people around you happy
What makes you happy? आपको कौन भल लगे करिया Fitness would be one thing I'm assuming because you're quite fit.
yeah
Yeah.
I give fitness topmost priority in my life
Okay.
what I believe कि तमे जत्ते बड़ घर बनै दियो जत्ते भलो गाड़ी किन दियो
No.
किंतु मरिया पर्यंत तुमको तुम बॉडी भितर रहयार अछि
Yeah.
ताले यू शुड कीप दैट योर टॉपमोस्ट प्रायोरिटी
Lovely, lovely. Since we're talking about priorities, आपण जदि गोटे again going back to our discussion, what must a consumer or a real estate buyer keep in mind in terms of priority again ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ EMI ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଚୁଜ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଘର କିଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସେତେବେଳେ କୋଉ EMI କୁ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟାଇଜ କରିବା କଥା
see buying a house is an emotional thing choosing an EMI should be ruthlessly practical so तुमको तुम खर्च देखिकी तुम इनकम देखिकी तुमको प्लान करिया को पड़ियो EMI टा नहले बहुत असुविधा हो जाए लोक बुझी पारंतिनी दे सी दिस बिग होर्डिंग्स बड़ घर बेसी एमिनिटीज दे डोंट सी देयर पॉकेट दे डोंट कंसल्ट देयर you know the banker they choose for a loan plan bank aji din ore bholo EMI plans douchi so they fall in that trap they you know get the loan sanctioned but jetara asubidha ta hoye se tapare realize karanti so buy a house you know it's an emotional thing but you have to be practical while choosing a EMI plan
also गोटे कंपनी रो DNA माने अलगा अलगा कंपनी रो अलगा अलगा DNA टे थाए राइट आपणकर जानिबारे while you head this company कि मेट्रो ग्रुप रो DNA केमिति अलगा अलगा बिल्डर्स मानकु अलगा डेवलपर्स अलगा कंपनीज एंड ग्रुप मानकु जोटा के ए सेगमेंट रो ऑपरेट करचंती आपणकर यू नो ग्रुप केमिति अलगा
देखो तो आज दिन रे सब डेवलपर सेम मटेरियल यूज करछंती सेम रेट पर स्क्वायर फीट नौछंती and you know same kind of amenities नौछंती so you can't actually differentiate between what I give and what other developer is giving
okay
see Metro is a 33-year-old company we are still buying land we are still making apartments and selling those apartments easily that means people have the trust on us you know and we follow certain ethics for which we are still I think our group is successful and you know we don't oversell we don't over communicate we don't give false hope to the customers nor do we you know it's my strict instruction to my customer ki you should not disappear after the closing you know I personally meet the customer from the first visit till they take the handover so it's a journey of booking till the handover I am with them I talk to them I interact with them
गोटे गोटे क्लाइंट रो गोटे हार्टफेल्ट स्टोरी कि गोटे फीडबैक जदि आपण आम दर्शक बंधु मान सहित शेयर करिया चाहिए कि केतेबेले आपन को लागिला कि माने आई एम श्योर आपन बाहर बहुत गुडा ए भळे एग्जांपल थिबो किंतु गोटे स्टोरी जेतेबेले गोटे होम ओनर कि होम बायर आसी आपन कहला कि यू नो दिस इज व्हाट आई फील अबाउट दिस हाउस आ आपन को लागिला कि दिस इज व्हाई वी डू व्हाट वी डू
See, if a customer is satisfied, that's the biggest compliment that we get. And it's not about getting award in a show, or you know there are there are corporates who call, and there are agencies who call and give you awards. For us, a customer referring another customer is a far much more bigger compliment
ओके
for us. Yeah.
ओके लवली लवली କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କି ଯଦି ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅପସନଟେ ଅଛି କି ମୁଁ ଆଇଦର ରେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବି ନହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଘର କିଣିପାରିବି, ମୋତେ କ'ଣ କରିବା କଥା? ରେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା କଥା ନା ବାଇ କରିବା କଥା?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ରୋଟି କପଡ଼ା ମକାନ, ଦିସ୍ ଆର୍ ଦ 3 ବେସିକ୍ ନେସେସିଟିଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏନି ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିଙ୍ଗ। ଆଜିକାଲି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି ନା, କିଛି ଚାର୍ଟର୍ଡ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଆଉ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବର୍ସ, ସୋ କଲ୍ଡ ଫାଇନାନ୍ସିଆଲ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବର୍ସ, ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡ଼ିଆ ଆଗରେ ଆସିକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କ୍ୟାଲକୁଲେଟରରେ କିଛି ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ବାହାର କରିକି ଗୋଟେ ଡିବେଟ୍ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କି
ହଁ।
रेंट में रहना बेटर है देन टू बाइंग, बिकॉज पैसा बची जाउची एंड यू हैव दैट फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ शिफ्टिंग एनीवेयर। बट इफ यू आस्क मी, आई विल से बाय अ हाउस, even if it's a small house, buy it. Even if it's 1 BHK, even if it is very small, buy,
Buy.
because you are creating capital. It is for your social security. It is a capital creation that you will have. Then you rent it out, no issues with that, but try to create a capital.
ସୋ ଓନରସିପ୍ ବହୁତ ମ୍ୟାଟର କରେ।
Ownership both matter kore. Yes,
କରେକ୍ଟ
yes.
କରେକ୍ଟ କାହିଁକି ନା ଯେମିତି अर्लियर ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ ବି କରୁଥିଲୁ, ଆପଣ କହିଲେ କି କୋଭିଡ ଟାଇମରେ ଭାଇ ଆପଣ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବାଙ୍ଗାଲୋରରେ, କୋଭିଡ ଆସିଲା, ବର୍ଷେ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଅନସର୍ଟନ ଅଛି।
Yes.
ସୋ ଆପଣ କୋଉଠି ଯିବେ? ଘରକୁ ହିଁ ତ ଯିବେ ନା,
ଘର ପାଇଁ ଯିବା, yes.
ରାଇଟ୍? ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଅ ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟ, ଯୋଉଟାକି ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲି ବି ମେନସନ୍ କରିଲେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲାଇଫରେ ଆପଣ ଯାହା ବି ମାନେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଯଦି ସେଇଥିରୁ ଆପଣ କିଛି ଶିଖିଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟାକି ଆପଣ ୟଙ୍ଗଷ୍ଟର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିପାରିବେ, ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଆଜିର ଡେଟ୍ରେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଭିତରକୁ ପଶୁଛନ୍ତି, ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଜେନେରେସନ୍ ଥର୍ଡ ଜେନେରେସନ୍ ବିଜନେସ୍ରେ ସେମାନେ ଚାର୍ଜ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ହିସାବରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲାଇଫରୁ ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ?
For the younger generation,
For the younger generation, for the youngsters in your, in your field or otherwise.
see, I would say it doesn't matter how motivated you are, it doesn't matter how disciplined you are, it doesn't matter how strong you are, nor does it matter how well connected or how much support you get in life. If your goal is not clear, you are going nowhere. So you need to have that clarity in life, and then do it passionately. But you need to understand what I want to do in life.
ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆମ ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁଙ୍କ ସହିତ ସେୟାର କରିପାରିବେ କି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫିଟ୍ ରହିବାର ସିକ୍ରେଟଟା କ'ଣ, କିଛି କରୁଛନ୍ତି, କିଛି ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି, ମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି?
See, सूरज से ज्यादा चमकना है तो सूरज से पहले उठना है. This is what you have to do. I get up early, I go to the gym,
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
I try to eat clean food.
ଗୁଡ୍,
That's it.
ଲଭଲି,
Your body is a temple.
ୟେସ୍।
ଏତିକି ଜିନିଷ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କରିବା କଥା.
ମୋଷ୍ଟ ସବୁଠୁ ବେଷ୍ଟ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ସ ଆର୍ ସିମ୍ପଲ୍ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ସ।
Yes, exactly.
ଲଭଲି ଲଭଲି। ଆମେ ଆମର ପଡକାଷ୍ଟର ଏଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆସିଗଲୁଣି। ମୋ ପାଇଁ ତ ବହୁତ ଏନରିଚିଂ ଆଉ ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଏଣ୍ଡିୟରିଂ ଏ ପଡକାଷ୍ଟଟା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ସନାଲ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଯଦି ମୁଁ ପଚାରିପାରିବି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ, ଆପଣ ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ ପଡକାଷ୍ଟର ବିଗିନିଂରେ, ଆଉ ଆମେ ଯେବେ ବି କଥା ହେଇଛୁ ପାଷ୍ଟରେ, ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଫଣ୍ଡଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବାପାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ କୁହନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ କହିଲେ କି 15 ବର୍ଷରେ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ହାରି ନେବା ବହୁତ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷଟା, ତ ଆଜି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ବିଜନେସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନିଜ ଛୁଆକୁ ବି ଆପଣ ବଡ଼ ମଣିଷ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, କ'ଣ ଟିଚିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲାଇଫରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ କ୍ୟାରି ଫରୱାର୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଲାଇଫରେ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଫାଦର ଫିଗର, ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସର୍ସ, ମେଣ୍ଟର କିଏ ଥିଲେ ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କଠୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଶିଖିବାକୁ ମିଳିଛି?
See, I lost my father, but I have 2 uncles in my life who are my father figures. Piyush uncle and Mokim uncle. So whatever I learnt in life, I have learnt from both of them. Jononko Pakaru, it's like a story of rich dad, poor dad. So, but here both my uncles are rich. So, से जो सीखी थिला से बहिरे पढ़िथिबे से बहिटा रिच डैड पुअर डैड.
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
So, he took suggestions and advice from both his fathers, whom he referred, both were his uncles whom he referred as fathers in that
Yeah,
book as well. So ମୋ ଲାଇଫରେ ବି ଏମିତି ହେଲା, ଦି ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ମୁଁ ଲାଇଫ ଲେସନ୍ ଶିଖିଛି, ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ how to be aggressive in your work, ଶିଖିଲି and ଜଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଶିଖିଲି where to stop, where to hold on, take a pause and look back, and business କେମିତି କରାଯାଏ, customer, how important it is to keep a customer happy. This is what I've learned from them, and this is where I am today because of them. So I'm blessed to have such kind of people in my life.
Lovely, lovely, Ali. And it was lovely sitting down and a conversation ଟା କରିବା. Hopefully ଆଉ ଥରେ କିଛି ବର୍ଷ ପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖା ହବା
Thank
ଏଇ
you.
forum ରେ.
Thank you.
Until
Thank
next
you.
time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.